Group policy in the Microsoft Windows Server 2003 family is an efficient method for centralized configuration management. By using group policy, you can define and enforce users' environments and computer configurations. You can create a single policy and apply the settings in that policy to every user and computer in your network. In this presentation, you will learn about the types of settings that you can define in group policy and how group policy is applied in Active Directory directory service. You can specify group policy settings for users, computers, or both. The user settings affect user accounts, and the computer settings affect computer accounts. For example, you specify a computer setting when you want that setting to affect that computer regardless of the user that logs on to that computer. When you specify a user setting, it affects that user account regardless of the computer that the user logs on to. The group policy settings that you specify are saved in a Group Policy Object, or GPO. Let's examine the types of settings that you can configure in a GPO. Administrative templates include registry-based group policy settings. You use these settings to control the behavior and appearance of the desktop. These are some examples of settings that you can mandate by using group policy. Security settings are rules that you can configure on a computer or multiple computers for protecting resources on a computer or network. Security settings can control how users are authenticated to a network or computer, what resources users are authorized to use, whether a user's or group's actions are recorded in the event log, group membership. You can centrally deploy, upgrade, maintain, and uninstall software in your organization by using the Software Installation node in Group Policy. You can assign scripts that are run automatically when a computer starts or shuts down, or when a user logs on or logs off. You can write scripts in any language that Windows Scripting Host supports, such as Microsoft VBScript or JavaScript. The settings in the Remote Installation Services node enable you to control the remote operating system installation options for users. You can use the settings in Internet Explorer Maintenance to manage and customize how Internet Explorer appears and operates on computers running Windows 2000, Windows XP, and Windows Server 2003. You can centrally manage special folders through folder redirection. You can redirect any of these folders to the same network location for all users or to designated locations